Let's get you paid $1,000 over the next 24 hours. Let's book that and work on that right now. The reason I'm recording this video is because it's almost the end of the day out here in LA. I was getting ready to just watch some TV, wind down from a long day of working, and I just had this on my mind because I work with so many different people, right? I talk to so many different people. And let me just tell you something. Every single day, people that I work with, people that I know, myself, all of that, it's just $1,000 deals, $1,000 deals, 2,000, 5,000, $10,000 deals that are happening. And it's not like this big, huge secret of how to do it. But some people and most people don't know how to do this and don't think to do this. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you're new or if you just don't know this about me or if you need to be reminded, let me tell you, I have 3 books. Okay. I have this book out. It's called Your First Million. I used to be homeless 10 years ago, just 10 years ago for most of my adult life. I had housing insecurity. I was broke, food stamps, the whole thing. Today, I have invested in more than 200 companies. 200, let's stop there. 200 startups. 200. Okay. I've seen thousands of them and looked at their presentations. I've worked with them. I've helped them. And I have this book. I was paid $400,000 to write this book. $400,000. I've sold, I don't know how many copies at this point, tens of thousands of copies. I have this book, Arlan's Revenue Playbook. You can get this one for free by going to arlansrevenueplaybook.com. Get the ebook if the physical copy is not available when you go. But listen, I did this on my own because I needed you to know what was in these pages because it teaches you how to make money. I'm just trying to show you, like I know what I'm talking about. And I'll show you in a second how to do this. I have this book. It's called It's About Damn Time. This came out 5 years ago. I was paid $400,000 for this book and $300,000 for Your First Million. Got them confused. I was paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to make these books. And the book that I did on my own, this one will make me more than both of these combined because I know how to make money. And not only do I know how to make money, but I care about you. I care about you. I'm out here and I'm watching hours and hours of YouTube every day because I'm obsessed with it. I study it. I use it to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every quarter. And I study. That's what I do. When I want to learn something, I'm in the trenches. And I watch over and over and over, mostly guys who are privileged, trying to tell people how to make money, but throwing in some misogyny while they're doing it, throwing in some Trump love while they're doing it, throwing in some homophobia while they're at it, throwing in some little racist stuff when they're at it. And I say to myself, this is why I do what I do. Not because these were bad people, and I break bread with some of them, not because they're bad people, but because I need to counter their voice. If you're listening to them, I need you to listen to me too, because I need to counter their voice. And that is exactly what you can do. If there's somebody out there, especially if they're in your lane, and you're yelling at the TV or you're yelling at something you're reading, you're like, oh my God, I can't believe they said that, or they believe this, or they're teaching this. You can be the counter to that. You can be the antidote. I don't know which one it is, Sister Act. Put it in the comments what the right word is. But the point of it is, that's how you make money. Let me show you how to make $1,000 in the next 24 hours. If you're ready to learn how to make $1,000 in the next 24 hours, I want you to do 2 things for me. The first thing I want you to do is write in the comments, I'm ready, let's go. I read every single comment, every single one, okay? The second thing I want you to do is I want you to subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. What's going to happen is this is going to be seen by a few hundred people, maybe a few thousand people will see. And 70% of the people who watch this who are not subscribed are not going to subscribe for some reason. They're going to forget about it, not think of it. But if you subscribe to this video, YouTube pushes it out to more people. And I want more people to see this because I want more people to know how to make $1,000 in 24 hours. The way you're going to make $1,000 after you subscribe is you're going to come closer to the screen. Come closer. I got you. You are going to think about what your offer is. You probably already have an offer, a service that you do, a product that you have, something that you sell. And maybe you're not great at selling it yet, or maybe things are slow, but you sell it. And if you're good at it, great. Let's add some more. But what you are going to do is you're going to take that offer and you're going to find, describe, figure out $1,000 version of it. If it's a do it for you service, meaning you do something for somebody so that they don't have to, but you charge $300, you're going to think of $1,000 version of it. And the best way to do this is to create a VIP day. Now, VIP means very important person. I don't love that jargon because I think everybody's equally as important, but it's easy, it's simple, and people know what it means. So for you, what a VIP day is that you spend several hours with someone. It can be 4 hours, it can be 5, it can be 8. My VIP days are usually 5 hours. But you spend time with someone either in person or virtually, and you dedicate that day to them. That's all that really matters. Doesn't matter how many hours you really put into it, but the fact that you're dedicating that day to them. They're getting your unfiltered attention, and you're doing something either with them or for them. So you could be teaching them and interacting with them and having them ask questions, and you come to it ready to teach them something specifically so that when they walk out, they know how to do it. You might do something for them, like spend the first hour getting all the information, downloading that, and then spending 2 hours putting something together. Maybe have somebody on your team. If you don't have a team, maybe one person who's just helping you because y'all are trying to make this $1,000. Whatever it is, you're going to accomplish it in that amount of time. I have a VIP day at least twice a month, and it costs thousands of dollars, thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? And I spend about 5 hours, but I give somebody that unfiltered attention. And I help them walk away knowing what they need to do next in their business. And it's worth far more than the money they gave me, or far more than what they gave me to be in the program to get that day. And you can do that too. You don't have to have everything I have going for me in order for you to do that. You just need to collapse time for somebody. Most people think, oh, if it's $1,000, I got to do something over 8 weeks, 12 weeks, a year. It's a lot of money, so I got to do a lot of things. Think about when you want something done, when you want an outcome, like literally this video, you clicked on it because you want $1,000 in 24 hours. You want it now. If I said, hey, you want $1,000 in 12 weeks, you still listen, but that's different and not as good as 24 hours. So if you can get some result for someone in 24 hours or in 5 hours or whatever the time period or a week, that's way, 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 way better than stretching it out over time. All they want is the result. If you're still watching me, let me know in the comments and let me know what part of this is really resonating with you. And has it changed the way you're thinking of things? I know sometimes we just get stuck. We know what to do, but we get stuck sometimes. So I'm here to unstick you. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? Let me know what you're going to offer. And you can even say in the comment, I don't want you to post this comment. I just wanted to tell you. Because honestly, I won't post it if you tell me not to. But I want to know. Now, let me show you something. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I want to show you something, okay? Okay, I'm in my membership every single day. It's called Arlan's All Access. You probably heard about it. If you've seen me before, if this is your first time seeing me, thank you for being here. Get to know me over time. Watch a few of my videos. I want to show you some of the posts that I get to see. So this one was 3 hours ago. I'm so excited to launch my VIP day. Stacy heard me talking about a VIP day a few days ago and created a VIP day. She created a 4-hour VIP day because she's about that life. She figured it out. She made this landing page. It's beautiful. She pasted a video link in. She recorded a link. She did it while she didn't wait till it was perfect to do it, is what I'm saying. She has this. She did this. Oh, what you're going to say? Oh, I don't know how to do that. Learn. Learn how to do this. If you don't want to learn how to do it, or you think you can't, or you have some sort of thing that's going to stop you, try to connect with somebody who will help you. Like, try to connect and say, hey, can we do this together? Look at her through a VIP day. She does it over a 2-day split, 8 hours total. Very interesting. 2 focused days. That was her decision. Day 1, design and build. Day 2, refine and launch. What I'm going to walk away with. Look how she's talking. What do I walk away with? That's all I care about. Boom, let's go. Right? If you click into it, buy now. What? $1,000. Now, I did not tell her to do this price. I did not tell her any of this, but she's learning from me. So she's doing what makes sense to her. I wanted to show you this too. Today's wins. How much did they do? This is a day ago. This stuff is happening in Arlan's All Access all day. This other one, I love this community. 2 days ago. I love the hive of genius in this community. We show up for each other. We contribute. We model resilience and growth mindset. There's more and more and more and more and more. If radiance was a person, boom. Love it. Okay? This is happening in Arlan's All Access. Go to arlansallaccess.com. arlansallaccess.com. Join. I'm gonna tell you something right now. And if you're still with me, thank you so much. Let me know in the comments. Say the code word purple. Purple is the code word. That's my favorite color. Okay. Let me say something to you right now. Arlan's All Access should be $2,500 minimum. Should be. It's been around for about 8 months, 8 or 9 months. No, 8 months, I think. And people have had so much progress. You know, I could tell you about the people who have made tens of thousands of dollars since they've been in. I could tell you about the people who make $1,000 here, $1,000 there with the, push of a button. I could tell you about the people who have posted their first 10 YouTube videos and they had no YouTube channel at all. I could tell you about all those things, but I'm just telling you, your experience is going to be what your experience is. But you go in there and you have everything you need. I'm in there every single day. Like, I am so hyper focused on Arlan's All Access that it's the first thing I think about when I wake up and it's the last thing I think about when I go to bed. And I'm in there every single day and my mind is blown. You saw those posts. That's just a few posts out of dozens that get posted a day. People are loving it in there. It should be $2,500 at least. But what is it really? It's really $100 a month or $600 a year, 50% off. And when you get the yearly, I just announced this thing today where I'm giving you even more value. I give you 50% off, but if you're yearly, you get 50% off and you also get more value. So you actually get the replays of my $1,000 a year program called Mastermind. You get the replays that people are paying $1,000 plus to be in, just for being an annual member of All Access. So why am I bringing this up? The reason I'm bringing this up is because every day I talk to people like you. I talk to entrepreneurs, executives, people who have their own companies, people who are thinking about pivoting, people who are 40 plus, some people in their 50s, 60s, 70s. I talk to people like you every day, all walks of life. And I hear the same thing over and over and over and over, which is, I can't, I don't know how, I'm just getting started. That is who went into Arlan's All Access, and maybe they had some success otherwise. Like my new book talks about 22 of them. It profiles 22 members of All Access. Some of them very seasoned in their business, in their company, like for a corporation or for the government, but trying to figure out how to make their consulting work or their coaching work, something like that. But either way, seasoned, beginner, a little bit of both, they go into it, they spend time in it, they do the step-by-step process that I teach, and they have wins. So they go from not believing to believing, not knowing to knowing, not understanding to understanding. I had a call with someone today who, like, I had the honor of watching her progress. And man, it's so cool. A few weeks ago, she was just like, "Oh man, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make money. I don't know how to talk to people. I don't know how to do calls." Now she's doing calls left and right. She's going to reach her income goals probably in the next, I would say, month or two. She's going to reach her income goals, replace a salary, work for herself. Put in the comments right now the words "work for myself" if you want to be your own boss. If you already are your own boss, but you are like, you traded a 9 to 5 for a 24/7, and you are just like, "Oh my God, this is so much extra work." I got you there too, because it doesn't have to be extra work. It doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be lonely. That's what we're doing. Like, you're going to see me for at least the next 2 years, only talking about All Access as that go-to place for you, whether you're seasoned or you're just getting started, because it is the plug. And you talk about making $1,000 in 24 hours. You will do, when you go do it, when you go book it, right, come back and tell me or send me a message. People do it all the time. But when you do that, think about, if I tell you that in a free video that's 15, 20 minutes long, imagine what you're going to get in All Access when you're teaching you this stuff every day.